There. Balloon set. Okay. My St. Patrick's Day party is good to go. Now I'll just invite my friends. And get the phone. Come here, Mimi. Oh! Where's the phone? Oh. Oh! You found the phone. Good, you found the phone. Okay. Thanks, Mimi. Good up. Sorry. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Hello? Can you come to my St. Patrick's Day party? Yeah, it starts right now, so, you can come? Okay, great. Bye, bye. Beep, 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 bop. Beep, beep. Hey, can you come to my St. Patrick's Day party? Starts right now. Okay, bye, bye. Anyway, let's just wait for the people I invited, right, Mimi? Mimi. Ow. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Oh, that's a loud knock. I'll get it. Hi guys, come on in. Oh. Okay. This is my party. Hi, Mimi. How you doing? Oh, that little Mimi. Oh. She's not in the mood today for a St. Patrick's Day party. Really? 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 Anyways. Ice cream. Wait, I want to have cake first. Hey, that's my ice cream I made for me. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have some cake. Oh, me too. But I need to get some fruit punch first. Don't you think, Shelby? Yeah. Who stepped on the cake? Oh. Let me get my cup. The punch. Oh, that was good. Move, camera. That's a lot of fruit punch. Aren't you gonna get fruit punch? Oh yeah, sure. And I'll get my ice cream I made. Ah! Dang. Oh good, it didn't spill that much. Clean up that. That's good. Hehe. Well, no, it's backwards. Okay. Let's get in. 2 minutes later. Oh, that was good. Wasn't it? Yeah, that was totally good. Oh, I'm full. Forgot your cup. Anyways, let's get back, Sally. Why does it say happy birthday on this balloon? It says St. Patrick's Day, Shelby. Let me check again. It does. Sorry. I pinched you. You're not wearing green. Yes, I am. Look at my shoe. Uh-oh. Ha ha. You don't have green.